Hey guys, this is your trusted weather forecast, and today we're going to be talking about an upcoming potential snowstorm that could rip through portions of Montana into the Great Lakes, including Illinois, Indiana, Michigan, and Wisconsin, and Iowa. All those states in the Midwest and Great Lakes could see a couple inches of snow if everything goes correctly, and it will be our first snowstorm of the season for the Great Lakes and the upper Midwest. Before we get into this, I'd like to ask you to subscribe. About 75% of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. So please click the subscribe button if you like weather-related content, hit the notification bell if you do not want to miss a single upload. Also, share this with friends and family and like the video to get this out to as many people as possible. Let's get right into this. This is the 8 to 14 day temperature outlook from October 18th to October 24th, around that time period where the snowstorm could happen. You see the area that the snowstorm could be in from Montana into the Great Lakes is below average. The odds are there will be below average temperatures in those regions, and temperatures at night could go below freezing, and during the day could be near freezing or at freezing levels. Let's get right into the models. I will be going through 3 different models with you and what each one of them shows for the potential winter storm that could happen. The first one here is the GFS. This is the latest 12Z run as of recording this video. And you can see right there, right where that L994 is, you see the blue, it's snow. The darker the blue, the more heavy the snow. And you can see it spreads from Montana into northern Wisconsin, all up north there. This is October 18th, the early morning of October 18th. And moving into October 19th, you see it starts pushing in Minnesota and more north into Canada, affecting all the northern portions of the United States there. And you see another system, lots of heavy snow in Colorado there, right above that L999. And it looks like a classic winter storm setup right here. This is October 20th. Heavy snow in Kansas, Oklahoma, going into Wisconsin, along with heavy rain ahead of it in the warmer areas. You can see it's a classic winter storm setup. Snow with rain, with ice in some areas. And you can see the snow gets really heavy in Wisconsin on October 21st, according to this model. You can see we have pink there, heavy, heavy, heavy snow. And now let's look at snowfall totals. These are snowfall totals from right now until October 26th. This is the combination of any snow that falls during this whole time period. You can see numbers are high with this model. This model has had on and off consistency with these numbers, and it shouldn't be taken too seriously right now, but definitely needs to be watched. A very large swath of over 10 inches of snow in that purple going from Nebraska and Kansas into Wisconsin, where there are localized amounts of 18 inches. The upper peninsula of Michigan will likely receive over a foot of snow during this time period, as well as Minnesota. Looking at the 12Z ECMWF model, you can see here, around the October 16th to 17th period, it doesn't have much of a system pushing through during that time. However, you see up north in Canada, where that L979 is, around October 18th, that's the same system the GFS was showing, except much farther north. And that will push away from the United States. And you see another system there, bringing potentially heavy snow in Indiana and Ohio. This is far different than what the GFS shows. Different location, different intensity. This system will need to be watched closely, but the odds are there will be a snowstorm somewhere in the United States during this time period. This is the GDPS model run, latest 12Z. You see that system on October 15th pushing through. This model has it mostly rain. And you can see some lake effect snow there around the 17th in Michigan and the upper peninsula of Michigan. And you see that system October 18th where that L993 is. Lots of snow that pushes through and mainly affects northern Minnesota and Canada. Question of the day for today's video is, what is your perfect sweeping temperature? Like, what temperatures can you sweep in, whether it's like 60 degrees, 70 degrees? Personally, I can only sweep if the room is hotter than 68 degrees or colder than 74 degrees. My range is that. Comment below your range. That's your trusted weather forecast for this upcoming potential snowstorm that could happen anywhere from Minnesota and the Dakotas to as far south as Illinois and Ohio. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want. Goodbye.